Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're opening up the man, the myth, the legend himself, Warren Buffett. We're taking a look into his portfolio. We're taking two stocks out which I think are potential winners, and we're going to talk about them. We're going to break them open, look at them, and guys, so stay tuned and decide, because I'm going to give you the value prospects of each. Decide if either of these really deserve a spot in your portfolio. All right, let's take a look. So Berkshire Hathaway, their portfolio includes numerous stocks. Warren Buffett's investment choices are always worth considering for potential additions to your portfolio. And today what we're going to look at is two companies, New Holdings and Sirius XM, and we're going to see what is the value of these, why did Warren Buffett buy them, do they belong in your portfolio, should you buy them? All right. Let's take a look. So first of all, New Holdings. New Holdings is a Latin American fintech company based in Brazil. It's an unlikely holding for Berkshire Hathaway, actually. This is a really weird one, guys, because Berkshire Hathaway is known for more traditional financial services. New Holdings is the parent company of Nubank, which is a provider of financial services without traditional banking. So this is the black sheep of the family when it comes to the normal stocks that you see in Berkshire Hathaway. But let's talk about their business expansion, because the big thing about New Holdings is that they are a growth company. Nubank has a significant presence in Brazil with 54%, guys, 54% of the adult population holding an account with Nubank in Brazil. It's an absolute steal. I mean, they are destroying the market. Company has expanded into Mexico, Colombia, but Brazil remains its primary market. When we look at the growth and the performance of Nubank's customer base grew by 20% to 99.3 million by the end of March. Their revenue increased by 64% to $2.4 billion on a foreign exchange neutral basis in the first quarter. Nubank has been profitable, guys, for seven consecutive quarters. Net income, adjusted earnings more than doubled in the recent quarter. We got to look at their valuation, because that is so important. New Holdings trades at 28 times this year's projected earnings and 19 times next year's analyst target. This valuation is higher compared to traditional banking stocks in Buffett's portfolio. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about whether or not you should invest. But that's a big thing when it comes to New Holdings, guys, is that it's a growth company. I mean, the stock has nearly tripled since the beginning of last year. So it's 100% a growth stock, guys. All right, let's take a look at Sirius XM, because Sirius XM gives a different investing thesis. Sirius XM is a satellite radio company based here in the U.S., has a monopoly in the U.S. market. Its shares, though, have decreased significantly, reaching an 11-year low. So why are you talking about it, Nolan? Why are we bringing up Sirius XM? Well, Sirius XM is not a growth company. It's not a growth stock. That's not what we're looking at it for. Instead, it's a value stock. If you're not interested in value stocks, I understand. All right, but let's talk about it. Revenue trends. Sirius XM's revenue growth has been slowing over the years, with a marginal decline in 2023. Last two quarters have seen slight positive revenue growth. So why would you buy Sirius XM? I mean, Nolan, you just told us that they're decreasing, they're going down, marginal decline in 2023. Last two quarters have only seen slightly positive revenue growth. What's the big win here? Well, here's the value proposition. Sirius XM has over 33 million active subscriptions today. Car manufacturers all over the U.S. promote Sirius XM plans over other streaming apps, and the company generates significant free cash flow and has been consistently profitable. They're not growing, but they are profiting. All right, and this is the big thing, is that they're taking the profits and they're giving it back to the shareholder. SiriusXM uses its cash flow to repurchase shares and to pay dividends. Dividend yield currently is 3.8%. Stock trades at 8 times trailing earnings, which is lower than many traditional value stocks in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. So understand that Sirius XM, when you look at all of the metrics, it is a great value stock, and that's what it is. It's a value stock. So when we look at both the companies, New Holdings, Sirius XM, these are two stocks in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio that present unique investment opportunities. We have one big, huge, high growth stock, New Holdings, right? And then we've got a value stock in Sirius XM, which is actually a really great deal. New Holdings demonstrates strong growth potential in the fintech sector, and Sirius XM offers value with consistent cash flow and attractive shareholder returns. So those are the two stocks, guys. Now, I do want to say I have not bought in on either of these stocks, but Nolan, why are you talking about it then? Well, because I want to give you all the information I can about these stocks, but I also tell you all about the stocks that I am buying. So subscribe to the channel, guys, because every single week I make a purchase and I buy a stock and I make a whole video saying what stock I bought and what I'm talking about. So, but I give you all the other stocks that are on my radar. So these are stocks, things that I found in my research, guys, that I want to discuss, and I'm giving it back to you in form of these videos. And maybe your investment thesis is a little bit different than mine. You know, maybe I personally, I don't go for value stocks. Really ever. Okay, but maybe you're a value stock investor. Well, Sirius XM may be something that you want to look at. New Holdings, definitely on my radar. Definitely could buy it in the future. Not today, but it's definitely on the watch list. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a big like. Subscribe, comment down below, because I want to get the conversation going, guys. I want to know what y'all are thinking about these two stocks. I mean, Warren Buffett holds them, so there's got to be something valuable. This is the legend himself, Warren Buffett. So anyway, guys, appreciate you. Y'all have an awesome day. I'm making another video tomorrow, so come back tomorrow, and I'll see you then.